Hello, this is Maria Butotsky and welcome back to my channel.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Yes, I'm here again and welcome back. It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time since my last upload. So for today is wala masyadong ganap sa buhay. So uh, we'll just unbox items that I bought in online shop, sa mga online shop. Ito ay mga damit ng aking bunso kasi he's going to school na this Monday. So yes, let's open it. Let's try kung what's inside. Okay, let's check one by one. Of one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So overall, nothing inside. It's just sheet. So it's 10 items, so all complete. So let's see one by one. It's 90 pesos lang, guys, which is ano na siya, terno na siya. So let's see what we had. Let's see kung anong laman. It's 90 pesos. Ooh. Short. Yeah. Okay naman. Okay yung quality. Yes. It's good. And the other one is, oh, so cute. So cute. Yep. It's so cute. It's good for small, it's good for kids na maliliit. Here. Ah, it's nice. Here. Next is this one. Yeah, it's 90 pesos. Again, it's 90 pesos. And worth it na siya kasi with combination na with the shorts. Short. Medyo manipis yung short, but it's okay na. It's worth it. Okay naman yung tahi. Okay. How about the shirt? Oh, so cute. The design is cute. Yeah. It's cute. Yeah, it's nice. It's terno. Design is cute. Next, let's open. It's the same. Actually, it's the same. Kaiba lang sila ng, it's the same. Magkaiba lang ng design ng upper shirt. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Beach. It's beach. So cute. Next. Wow. Nice. Up. Print. Expected natin, guys. It's expected natin na hindi talaga siya ganun kaano yung mga sewing, in terms of sewing niya, yung mga tahi. But then, for the price, goods na din siya. Kasi wala pang uniform yung bunso ko. Parang daycare pa lang siya. So, wala pa siyang uniform. So, I need to buy him. Uy! Oh, see, maliit kasi yung bunso ko. So, yeah. Nice! Turn on with the shorts. Wild boys. So, kailangan niya ng damit for school kasi wala silang uniform. So, yep. Yeah, cute monkey. Super nice. Nice naman siya. Expect lang talaga natin yung mga tahi niya is hindi talaga ganun ka, you know, yung mga compared natin doon sa mga mamahalin na mga items, mga mahalin na mga damit. Hindi talaga natin, the difference is, you know, iba yung tahi talaga compared to those mga mamahalin na mga clothes. Yeah, it's for my, so cute. Social ng lalagyan ha. What makes this social? Social ng lagayan. Let's, oh, wow. And the dress itself, oh, cute. Parang liit. So liit compared to toan. But let's see. Makikita natin yan if i-fit na natin sa kanya. Ipapasukat natin sa kanya. Fit ba talaga sa kanya? So here, yeah, it's big. And this one is for my 6 years old son. Medyo maliit kasi yung katawan niya. So, last one. Oop. Oop, 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 oop. What this? Oh. See, may mga konting ano talaga siya. But, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman masyadong mahal. Maganda. Maganda naman siya. Tsaka, worth it lang. Kasi, all of this, pair. Kasi, all of this pair, maganda naman siya. Maganda naman siya. Worth it lang naman. Kasi, all of this, 10 pairs of shirt, yung mga terno shirts, mga terno short and shirt na, it's worth it naman. Kasi yung total expenses ko nito is below 1,000 lang. It's all three. It's 700, including the shipping fee. So, it's worth mga 800. So, it's worth it na. Kasi ang dami niya. It's 10 pairs of shirt for my 3 years old and 6 years old kid. So, ang ganda. So, hindi less hassle pa in my part kasi I just ordered it online. So, let's try to fit. watching. See you next time.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.